May 23rd, 2012. First test of the Eagle 1 portable 31-foot vertical by K9 WWT at the Indiana Dunes State Park, Duneside Sheter. Temperature 75 degrees and sunny. Perfect day for this, no wind. So the Eagle 1 is up. It is being held down with tent stakes instead of the ground rods, which should be sufficient for today. I have a radial system out here, a ground plate here, and at the moment, three radials, two 100-foot tape measures, and a 36-foot tape measure. I might stretch out more later. I've already made one contact today, N5IR, down in near Fort Worth, Texas. And I got a 5, 8, 9 with no radials. That was just to get me on the air and to see how it was performing with no radials at all. 5, 8, 9 in Texas. 100 watts to this Eagle 1 vertical. And I must say, I got here at 10 and I was on the air by 11:30. So it's an hour and a half of setting up the antenna and the station that you'll see shortly back in the shelter. Instead of wrestling with these trees for 2 hours, normally I would come out here and launch a tennis ball over these trees, that one there and this one here, and providing nothing broke like the fish line or something, or nothing got hung up, we would have a G5 RV strung between these two trees, but that can amount to about 2 hours worth of labor and walking around on uneven terrain here with a bad back. Not exactly the best thing in the world for me right now. So this Eagle 1 really, I think, is going to work out well. I tested it at home in December when I first got it, and I was very impressed with its performance just with a couple of radials. So that's the Eagle 1 as it stands for now. We're going to go back here and view the station setup. We are at Duneside Sheter at the Indiana Dunes State Park. I was here last year a couple of times and really enjoyed it. One time my antenna system broke, so I had to use a mobile whip on the car back there, and that worked out fairly well. But we're using the Yaesu 857 Delta, about 100 watts or so, and set up for CW and phone today. I am largely a CW operator, and would you believe I forgot my paddles? You've heard the phrase, the kingdom was lost for want of a nail. Well, the nail today was my Vibraflex keyer paddle that I left at home sitting on the desk. So thank goodness I had my keyboard with me. We can at least key that way for today, but if I want to crack a DX pilot, that's not too easily done with a keyboard sometimes, unless I just program a macro here. But that's the deal. More later. From 2012's first portable operation for the season. We're off and running, and I think this is going to work out fairly well with the Eagle 1. 73 from Northwest Indiana, K9 WWT Portable 9. Duneside Sheter, Indiana State Park, Chesterton, Indiana.